Let's talk today about how to get your products into retail stores. This means that you are selling your products to wholesalers, and I absolutely love wholesale. Dealing with wholesale customers is so much different than selling retail in my own Shopify store and dealing with my own customers. I love the bulk orders. I love packaging those orders. I love interacting with the different shop owners who buy from me. I am very passionate about wholesale. So the first thing I would recommend is joining Faire. And I don't have an affiliation with Faire. They're not paying me to say this. I sell my own products personally on Faire, and to date, since September of 2023, I have done almost $250,000 in sales on Faire. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I run a seasonal business. So for the most part, the majority of my products are sold between around September 15th through the middle of December. So we are talking a very short time frame that I have to sell products. And in 3 seasons of selling products on Faire, I've done almost $250,000 in sales, which is pretty incredible. And I am just starting to really dive into really focusing on my Faire store more as I start thinking about growing my business to be a year-round business and all of the ways that I can bring more customers to my Faire store. It is a little bit tricky right now, but my number one suggestion is to join the Faire platform. This is the easiest way to start getting wholesale customers. Faire does all of the marketing for you. You do not have to market your products at all. They are seen by thousands of people every single day. I even got my first sales within 24 hours of listing on Faire. So it's a pretty incredible website, and be sure to check that out because that is your first way to start getting retail customers. The next way to get your products into retail stores is to start cold emailing. And this is a bit of a tricky process, or not even tricky, but just harder for me because cold selling is hard. And so what I have come up with is an email template that I send out to leads that I have. And the way that I find these leads is I will go to Google and say, for instance, you are selling an item that you want to sell in a gift shop. I will pick an area to start. Let's just pick Austin, Texas, and I will Google gift shops in Austin, Texas. And a whole list of different shops will come up. And honestly, just individually, you're going to go to each of these either Facebook page or website, and you're going to locate their contact email address and a contact name. And I have started a spreadsheet of all of these names and contact information of my own. When I'm in there, I grab their business name, contact name, their physical address, their email address, as much information as I can possibly grab. I put it all onto a spreadsheet. That way I can email them, and if I want to, I can also send them a mailer in the mail if I choose to do that, and all of the information's right there. Now, this is time consuming. There is no doubt about it, but this is a perfect job for a virtual assistant, and you can hire a virtual assistant on Fiverr or somewhere like that. You can even hire a family member. My daughter has done this for me before. I've paid her to search out these stores and put all the information into a spreadsheet. So this is a job that you can pass off to someone if you do not have time to do this. But I've had really good luck with this. And if you do not have a wholesale site, you can direct them to your Faire website. You can send them the direct link to your Faire store. And that will give you 0% with Faire, which means you will not get charged any fees if you bring the customer to your store on Faire. So that is a really big positive of Faire, is that you can house your entire wholesale site on their site. And if you bring the customer in, they don't charge you any fees other than the normal credit card processing fees, which you would be charged anywhere. So start cold emailing. I always have a goal of reaching out to 5 stores a day, just sending 5 emails and then following up with the stores. And don't get discouraged. Not every store is going to jump on your email, especially right away. So you may have to follow up 2 or 3 times. And it is a little bit trickier to get customers this way, but it definitely works. You can also take all of the email addresses and upload them into Faire, and you can send them out an email from directly in Faire. So there's multiple different ways to do this to reach out by cold email to customers. The third way to do this is if you have a retail website or an Etsy shop, make sure that you have an area in both of these places that if they are wanting wholesale, they can reach out to you. So on my website, I have a Faire direct link right on my website, and a wholesale tab. So if they're looking for wholesale, they can click on that and go right to Faire and check out your prices, check out your products, everything's right there for them. And on Etsy, you can also do, if you're looking for wholesale, please contact me. So there's multiple ways to get your name out there just on the sites that you sell on right now. Another great perk of having your own retail store or Etsy site is that retailers will see you on there. If they could just be shopping on there as a customer and they can see you on there and they reach out to you asking if you sell wholesale. So it's really important to have that wholesale information on the site or be ready with it if someone reaches out to you. I've gotten a lot of Faire customers just by having my products on Etsy. And the fourth way that I have gotten my products into retail stores is by running Facebook ads. And I get a lot of wholesale customers directly from my Facebook ads. And that can mean by targeting stores directly, or that can mean by just my normal targeting from my own Shopify store. I'm just targeting normal customers and they happen to be a customer and see my products, and then they come and ask about wholesale. So Facebook ads are a really great way to bring customers to you also. And obviously a little bit more expensive. Going the cold email route is definitely much cheaper. So if you can go that cold email route, that is a really great way to bring in customers. Otherwise, you can run Facebook ads also. I hope these tips were helpful for getting your items into retail stores. And again, my first step is to reach out and try to get a wholesale account with Faire, because that will just make each additional step so much easier. And selling wholesale is incredible. So if you need help picking products, sourcing products, figuring out what products you want to sell, I did just create a course that is linked below that is very helpful in the process of getting your business started and starting to sell your products on Faire, how to determine pricing. Everything is there to help you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.